Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to play YouTube video on background. So let's get started. So if you are trying to play a YouTube video on background, then you will face a problem. So if you use a YouTube application to play a video on background, then you can't access that feature because it's a premium feature. But if you want to access that feature, so to do that, what you can do is follow some easy steps. First, what you have to do is just open up your Chrome browser. So I'll just recommend you to use your Chrome browser, and after opening it, now what you can do is in search bar you can search for youtube.com and then log into your account. So I already have a YouTube over here, so I'll just tap on it and then open up my YouTube. So make sure that you have logged into your account. You can also be logged out from your account to access this feature. So from here, what you can do is just simply tap on the three dotted icon which is on the top right, and then make sure that you have changed your mobile site to desktop site. So here you will find this option, just simply change it to desktop site, and after changing it to desktop site, now what you can do is just simply try to play a video, and after playing a video, just simply come back to your background and you will find that the video is playing in your background. So I'll just show you.
For the gram. Bitches love the gram. Oh, wait, shit. I don't need no breaks.
And there will be no ads played in your YouTube because it's on background. So because the video is playing on background, you will not face any ads. So this is ad free, so you just have to follow these steps and you will access this feature. So here you can see guys, by following these easy steps you can also play your YouTube videos on background. So not only for songs, it will work for any video that you want. So that's it guys, this is how to play YouTube videos on background. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.